Alright students, after you have watched or done the experiment with me with the toy car, you're going to open up this document on your computer on Google Classroom called Absent Student Session 3 Lab Report. Right here, you're going to write your name. Okay, next to by, you'll write your name, and then the date, you'll write the date, the month, the day, and the year of when you did this experiment or watched it. Then you'll go to the next part. Our question was, will this car go farther off the ramp on the carpet or on the bare floor? So what this meant was, will the car go farther off the ramp onto the carpet or off the carpet without the ramp? So the part I want you to fill out is this part right here. I would like you to finish this sentence. The car went farther when rolled down the blank than when it rolled on the blank. So in this blank, you will either write ramp or carpet. Which one did it roll down farther than when it rolled on the blank? Which one did it not roll farther on? On this page, you don't need to finish anything. You don't need to do anything. These are just the materials and procedures that you need to do if you decided to do the experiment with me. On this page, you need to finish this sentence stem under hypothesis. A hypothesis is a guess of what we think will happen. So remember in the beginning of the experiment where I said make a guess of which one you think the car will go farther down, the ramp or the carpet? This is where you type in your guess. So when you started this experiment, which one did you think the car would go farther on? Did you think it would go farther down the ramp or did you think it would go farther down the floor? So in this blank, you'll either write ramp or floor, and then you'll tell me why you thought the car was going to go farther down the ramp or the floor. Over here, you're either going to tell me if your guess at the beginning of the experiment was right or wrong. So you'll either choose my hypothesis was not right because if you said that you think the car was going to roll farther across the carpet or floor, your hypothesis was not correct, and that's okay. That's why we do experiments. But I want you to tell me why you think you were not correct at the end of the experiment. And if your hypothesis or your guess that the car would go farther down the ramp, if that was your guess, then you're going to finish this sentence. My hypothesis was right because, and tell me why your guess or hypothesis was right. Thank you, friends, for joining me. I hope this video was helpful and will help you finish your writing for today. Bye-bye.